Welcome back to the channel. What I'm going to be looking at today is the PowrTouch Evolution visual checks if you get the problems I've had in just over a year. So stay tuned.
You know how to work it. Work it.
Okay, I'm now just going to give you a demo of what's happening to our motor movers. Like I said, they're just over a year old. As you can hear, the motor mover is attached and I'm reversing the Caravan, and you can hear that knocking noise. It does it predominantly when reversing the Caravan. Just going to show you that with it going forward. There's a slight knocking noise. As you can hear there. And as I've mentioned, I'm going to show you how easy it is to rectify this problem. It's something I'm going to be doing now at the beginning of the season and at the end of the season. Okay, what you need to buy is this spray, high performance spray. I'll put a link down below, but what you need to do is you need to spray with the rollers unattached. As you can see, I've got them attached at the moment, but with them unattached, you need to spray down here. There's like a spring which you need to spray down there. In my case, I've got the 4x4 PowrTouch motor mover, so you need to spray in each one. The two on the near side and the other two on the off side of the Caravan. Spray evenly inside of there for a couple of seconds, leave it for 5 or 10 minutes, and you will see the difference. But let me just show you what's actually happening now with my PowrTouch Evolution motor movers just after a year. So this is just like a basic maintenance tip. Okay, I've sprayed the PowrTouch Evolution motor movers with the high performance lubricant spray. I just want to see if it's cured that knocking noise we heard earlier on the motor movers. As you can hear and see, it's completely cured the knocking noise we heard earlier on the motor movers. I'm really happy with that. As you can see, it's completely cured the knocking noise on the motor movers. Okay, let's see it now in reverse, which is where most of the knocking noises was coming from. As you can see in here, it's absolutely cured that knocking noise perfectly in reverse. Completely cured that knocking noise, as you can see. Absolutely perfect. Like I said earlier on, we serviced this Caravan in March 2020. Basically, the PowrTouch Evolution motor movers are only just over a year old. Now, one thing we didn't stipulate when we had it serviced was to service the motor movers. So I've saved myself a lot of money by getting the high performance lubricant spray, which was just under £5. I've sprayed each roller, left it for 10 to 15 minutes, and as you can hear and see, it's completely cured the problem on the Caravan. So I'm really happy with that. I'm also, if you can imagine, you've got your Caravan in storage, or you've got your Caravan in your back garden, it's not been moved for a couple of weeks, a couple of months, this will cure the problem. So all I'd like to say is, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Finally, thanks very much for watching.
You